Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change an SD card in your Galaxy S8, and if your SIM card tray is broken, how to replace that too. For this phone, the SD card shifted in the SIM card tray because of a crack, and unfortunately, we can't get any of the information off of it, and it's kind of impossible to do that. So the only way we can fix it is to replace the SIM card tray and put in a new SD card. The common practice before you work on any electronic device is to power it off. So first things first, power off your phone. Samsung packs an ejector tool with their phones, so check the box it came in for that tool. If you've lost it, you can use a paper clip instead. The SIM card tray is at the top of the phone. You'll see a tiny hole where you'll put the ejector tool or paper clip. Gently insert the ejector tool into the hole and push it in until the SIM card tray pops out. Slowly slide the SIM card tray out. If you need to replace the SIM card tray, take out the white SIM card and SD card if you have one. Get the new tray or new SD card and put the SIM card and SD card onto the tray. The SD card section has little notches to lock it in place, so make sure to pop it into place and that it's fitted right in the tray. Before putting the tray back, make sure the SIM card and SD card are flat with the tray. Slide the SIM card tray back into the phone. Then, turn your phone back on. With getting any new SD card, it's strongly recommended that you format it before using it. Formatting is basically deleting any data that was previously on the card. It'll also create a new file system for storing data on that device. This will reduce the chances of corruption, any possible storage issue, and initial read and write issues. To format the SD card, go to your settings and scroll to Device Care. The SD card will show up under Storage, so click on that. At the bottom, you should see it. To go to the SD card settings, click on the three dots at the top right-hand side of the screen. This will show you how much internal storage your phone already has and what your SD card has. Here, click on SD card. I know at this point it almost seems like a Russian nesting doll getting to this format option, but you finally made it. Click on Format and agree to format the card. And now your card is formatted and ready to use. So I hope this helps you with your Samsung Galaxy S8, and be sure to check out some of our other how-tos.